Welcome to IP Service, learn IT tips and troubleshooting. In this video, today I am showing how to password protect a PDF file free and easy in 2025. Protect your sensitive PDF file with a password. This video is for you. First of all, click a PDF file and open a PDF file and click protect and password security. Open password. Require a password to open the document. Just click a strong password, number, letter and a special character, then simply click finish. Now you close your PDF document and save. Now your PDF is password protected, easy and free. Just open, look your PDF. When try to open, need a password. Just type password and open your sensitive PDF file. Like, comment, share and subscribe our video. Thank you for watching IP Service.